In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put clips into Capcut, a straightforward but essential skill for anyone looking to start editing videos on this versatile platform. Whether you're a newbie in video editing or someone looking to streamline their process, this guide will help you get started confidently. First things first, begin by opening the Capcut app on your device. Once you're in, you'll notice various options laid out for different projects. Your focus here is the New Project button. It's prominently displayed, making it easy to spot, and just a tap takes you into the heart of Capcut's editing environment. Now, onto the exciting part, selecting your video clips. Your device's gallery will open up, allowing you to browse through your collection of videos and photos. This is your moment to choose exactly what you want to bring into your project. Remember, your selection should align with the story or message you're eager to tell. Don't worry if you're unsure, as you can always add more clips later or remove unwanted ones. A tip here is to gather clips that have a logical flow or those that complement each other well for a smoother editing experience. Once your clips are selected, the next step is to tap the Add button. This action imports them directly into the Capcut timeline. The timeline is where all the magic of video editing happens. It's essentially the canvas on which you arrange, trim, and sew together your video clips. As soon as your clips land in the timeline, you'll see them laid out sequentially. From here, you've got a clear view of your video's initial structure, which you can manipulate as you like. After your clips are in the timeline, it's time to rearrange, trim, or edit them as needed. Capcut offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to drag clips around to change the order. If you find any clip too long and need to cut it down, the trim option is your best friend. Simply select the clip, find the edit tools, and trim it down to just the segments you need. Additionally, explore Capcut's editing features to adjust the clip's colors, add transitions, or even insert text. Have fun experimenting with these features to bring out the best in your video. Finally, with your clips neatly arranged and any desired edits made, you have a couple of pathways to choose from. You can dive deeper into editing if you're feeling creative and want to refine your project further. Alternatively, if you're happy with the current setup, you can proceed to export your video. Exporting is straightforward and Capcut will guide you through the process. It won't be long before you have a fully edited video ready to share or upload wherever you like. That's it for today's walkthrough on putting clips into Capcut. Dive in and enjoy the process of creating, because at the end of the day, it's all about bringing your vision to life in the most engaging way possible. Happy editing!